So earlier this year, ASUS announced the ROG Phone 5, and I was one of the many YouTubers to make a video about it. And let's say that video, it kind of tanked in the view count. But nevertheless, ASUS has provided us an updated version of that already powerful phone. So let's talk about it. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now listen, I'm gonna be real with you. If you're one of the people that did buy the ROG Phone 5 or the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate, thinking like any normal person that you're gonna have the most powerful mobile gaming phone from ASUS for at least a year, you are out of luck, because ASUS has just announced the new ROG Phone 5S and the ROG Phone 5S Pro. Now I can sort of understand ASUS, they want to remain the leader in the mobile gaming market, but on the other hand, it is a bit of a kick in the all the people that did buy the ROG Phone 5, which, let me remind you, was only released a few months ago. Okay, enough ranting. Let's actually talk about the ROG Phone 5S and the ROG Phone 5S Pro. You got the 5S, you got the 5S Pro. Where, oh where have I heard that name from, that naming scheme from? Looking at the devices themselves, you can see there's no real cosmetic changes done between them. Okay, let's compare the ROG Phone 5 and the ROG Phone 5S. They still got the same 6.78 inch 144Hz AMOLED display. They still got the same 64 megapixel triple camera setup on the back. They still got the same, and I admit this is still impressive, the 6000 milliamp battery inside. And even if you were to compare them physically to each other, you can't really tell the difference between them. Although I must say, ASUS did manage to shave off 1 gram on the new 5S Pro, and you know the saying, every gram counts. So you're looking at me and you're wondering, William, where are the changes? Why is S in the name? And I can provide a very simple answer for you. S is for speed. Okay, that's it. Video over. Thanks for watching. Wait. I can't end a video like that. Okay, so what S stands for is it stands for speed, but it actually also does stand for storage, and let me elaborate. So for speed, they bumped the Snapdragon 888 to a Snapdragon 888 Plus, which does not sound that impressive, and in some people's eyes this might not be impressive, but let me tell you what it does give you. So it increases the single core count by 3%, and it does increase the multi-core count by 1%, and that is not taking into account any of the optimization that ASUS Armoury Crate will provide you, as well as that handy dandy little cooler that you can stick on the back. Another thing, like I said, is storage. So there is an increase in RAM count going from the 16 to the 18. Now I know the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate has 18 gigabytes, but we're talking about the base model ROG Phone 5, which ROG Phone 5S. So it goes from 16 gigabytes to 18 gigabytes. You're also getting double the amount of storage that was available to you. So you're going from 256 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes. Throw a micro SD card slot, and then you have endless supply of memory for all your gaming, photo, video needs. What have you, you got it, you don't have to worry about it. Now the question is, should you buy this phone if you already own the ROG Phone 5? And it's a really super easy answer to give you. Yeah, no. If you own the ROG Phone 5, don't even look at this thing. I mean, sure, you're missing out on that 3% increase in that single core count and 1% increase in the multi-core count, but you're not really gonna notice. This phone is meant for the people who want to buy a phone today or in a month's time. Okay, that's the people who are marketed for this phone. Not you if you got the ROG Phone 5, unless you're a klutz and you broke your phone. Now this phone is only available on order in Taiwan. Not sure when it's coming to the US or EU, but maybe in a month or 2 months time, around about there. But I can give you an estimate at how much you are willing to pay for this phone. So for the 5S, you can expect to pay around $991.99, and for the 5S Pro, you can expect to pay around $1,370.99 for that phone. I know it's a bit pricey, but you know what, ASUS does provide good phones. I mean, the ROG Phone 5 was impressive. I can imagine how impressive this phone is. And that is the end of the video, guys, and I'd like to thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as well as to smash that notification bell to be kept informed about my weekly videos. Now, if you are in the market for the ROG Phone 5 and the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate and you don't care about the S Pro or the S, my Amazon affiliate links are in the description below. So if you'd like to support the channel at no extra cost to you, is all down below there. So yeah, that is the end of the video, guys, and yeah, have a good one.